Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how I made my camouflage drip softball design. So I already have all my images ready in layers. The bottom layer is my baseball plate frame, where I will be adding a neon camo pattern as a clipping mask. Next, I'm going to duplicate the drip layer. Then the bottom drip layer, I will turn into a clipping mask, the top drip layer. I will erase any part of the image on the top and sides of the top, so that it looks like it's inside the plate frame. Then I will turn on the layer that has my crossed bats and size them. Next, I'm going to turn on the ball layer. Then I'm going to add a drop shadow to the ball. And that's it. Now I have a download ready to sell on Etsy.